Imagine a satellite so advanced that it cracks every existing record and poses a serious challenge to the dominance of Starlink in the satellite internet arena. This is no science fiction. It's the reality unfolding with a newly developed Chinese satellite, equipped with secretive technology that could dramatically alter the space communication landscape. Recently, researchers from Peking University and the Chinese Academy of Sciences were spotted conducting tests on this cutting-edge satellite positioned in geostationary orbit, roughly 36,000 kilometers above our planet. This is an incredibly high altitude, much farther than Starlink's network of satellites. What makes this satellite a looming threat to Starlink is its incredibly sophisticated laser technology. Despite using just a 2-watt laser, this device can send data streams to Earth at speeds of 1 gigabit per second. To put that in perspective, this surpasses the typical real-world download speeds experienced by Starlink users by a significant margin. And it's doing this from an orbit that's vastly higher than Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites. Now, here's where things get interesting. Unlike Starlink, which relies on thousands of satellites buzzing close to Earth, using radio waves to transmit data, the Chinese satellite uses laser communication. This method can drastically reduce interference and bandwidth limitations, two issues that often challenge radio frequency satellite networks. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. This satellite isn't currently set to replace Starlink overnight. It's still undergoing thorough testing and refinement. However, it undeniably signals a technological leap forward that could shake the foundations of private space internet ventures led by Elon Musk. It also brings up an intriguing question. Could this spark a new kind of space race? Not to reach the stars, but to deliver the fastest, most reliable internet from space directly to Earth? For years, we've watched companies race to launch rockets and satellites. Now, the real battle may be who can master next-generation communication technology that might change how we connect globally. This development is bound to stir debate. Some will argue that Starlink's broad satellite network remains the better practical solution, given its maturity and coverage. Others may point out that the potential of laser-based communication from geostationary orbit represents the future, even if it's still in the early stages. What do you think? Is this Chinese satellite the beginning of a new era that could topple Starlink's supremacy? Or is it just a technological demo that won't disrupt the current market? Share your thoughts, and let's get the conversation going because this is undoubtedly a story worth watching closely.